So I will say, although we did get our breakout yesterday, breakout was confirmed. Awesome. When you do get breakouts, you can get retests too. And that's what we experienced yesterday. We did, in fact, go through a full retest, went down, tested our support levels, and we held to some extent. We did end up dropping below. Basically, ADA's kind of all over the place right here. Now, the great thing is, although ADA is showing extreme volatility, I mean, we've had insane levels, basically from what here? This is essentially a 20% swing, right? 20% swing between the tops and the bottoms locally here. Well, ADA is still printing bullish momentum. All right, you can see the trend here. We are moving towards the upside, which is a great sign. Now, I do have to say this. Although ADA has been looking bullish and moving to the upside, guys, there is the possibility of pullbacks here. Okay. Now, this isn't, bearishness or FUD or anything like that. We're now escaping this pattern that we have been in. When we get in these patterns, they're very predictable. It's very easy to figure out which direction ADA is going to go, right? Now we're kind of getting out into no man's land. And there's a lot of things that are happening here, right? We still have possibilities of profit taking, right? To end the year, tax loss harvesting, whatever you want to refer to it as, right? We also have the possibility of consolidation until we get some news about the spot Bitcoin ETFs, right? There's a lot of things that could change the direction quickly in terms of the crypto market. All right. Now, we'll say, obviously, ADA is still on the bullish side of things. We're still, another green day. We're kind of alternating back and forth. If you guys haven't noticed, it's red day, green day, red day, green day, back and forth around, follow the bouncing ball, right? That's how things have been, right? And that's okay. End of years are never really like huge, exciting, profitable times. Okay. It leaves a lot of questions. Then as we get into 2024, that's where we could face one of two things. We're a little higher than I'd like ADA to be. We're a little higher than I'd like BTC to be. And we could experience this explosive move to begin the year. Now, at the same time, would not surprise me if we consolidate into the start of January. Again, waiting for some sort of news around the 8th, 9th, 10th in terms of this spot Bitcoin ETFs. If we do get some positive news, guys, that's again when I expect we could go on this rip-roaring run. Massive explosion to the upside. Really a catalyst that sends us on a run until probably about the time of the Bitcoin halving. Okay, as always, this is not financial advice. But know that obviously with ADA having all this room to go below here, we could obviously go through some consolidation, some pullbacks down to 50, 55 cents, somewhere in there. People have been asking me about 40 cents. I think we're getting a little bit past where 40 cents is in the cards here. All right. And some people still think we have like a 50% retracement. You can think what you want, right? Some people are saying, oh yeah, all indicators are pointing towards massive pullbacks. They're really not. They're really not. There's the possibility of them happening, but people have been calling for ADA to go to 17 cents and 15 cents and 10 cents for a long time. Now they're raising their levels to 30 cents. And that's the thing is, a lot of these people, they tend to lag behind for a while, right? And then they finally lag until the point that they realize, oh crap, I missed out on my position, right? This is why, for example, I bought around that 60 cent level. Okay. I bought very heavily it was either like 25 cents, I think 24 cents, somewhere down in there, down in that box that we'd been talking about for a while. That's where I accumulated heavy, right? People that down here were calling for, again, lower prices. So the thing is don't let what other people say influence you. Don't let what I say influence you. All right. Do the research, pay attention to what has happened historically. All right. ADA's got a lot of possibilities as we move into the bull market cycle here. And I'm always focused on the long term anyways. Do I think ADA price is going to be higher 2 years from now? Absolutely. And that's kind of what influences my decisions right now. Do I really care if we have a 20, 30% pullback right now? No, not really. My position's set, ready to go. And what that is more opportunity to buy. So I'm excited for 2024. 2024 is going to be good. 2025 should be great. And I guess all the above, right? I really didn't know how to end that, but there are much more explosive times coming for crypto over these next few years than to be worried about right now. So appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.